Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
Section 4.8, doing Excel math without a formula. This feature works with a single copied cell, paste it into a multi-cell range. Assume that you have a range of values and you want to increase each value by 5%. Enter 105 into a blank cell. Over here on section A3 is 105%. And copy that cell to the clipboard. We're not going to copy to the clipboard. We're just going to hit copy. And then in any range or any series of rows, just put whatever number you want. So I'm going to put 10, I'm going to put 21, and I'm going to hit 31.5. Now, if this is not formatted, let's say it was formatted to percentage, the numbers will look skewed. But here, they're in decimal. What we're going to do is highlight the range, right click, then we're going to hit, well, let's go back. We're going to go to 105, copy. We're going to hit this range, which is C6 to C8. Hit paste special in the dialog box. And we're going to hit multiply. There you go. It shows 1050. We don't want 1050%. We want dollar signs. So go up, remember in the ribbon, go up to number, go to currency, hit currency, and there you go. There is $10 multiplied by 5%, which is 1050. 21 times 1.5% is 3150. 3150 times 30 times 3150 is the multiplier. So what we do is, if you want to verify that, go equals 10. Always remember, start with a equal sign when you want to do a formula. 10 times parentheses 1.05, close up, we have 1050. And I believe this original number was 21 equals, and you can do this, you can copy this down, this fixed number, hit Control D, you can change these numbers, so you can go 21, I think it was 31, must have been 32, could have been 30. Anyway, the point is, here you have a situation where we have no formula. Copy special paste did the formula for us. Nice feature, but kind of misleading because you just saw that you don't know your original number. I don't know what the original number was. Now I can divide this and get that number, or I can guess, I can interpolate and go 3150 or whatever that number was. So it was 3150. And to round this, go to the comma, and we just rounded this to 3308. Now you can see the numbers are offset here. If you want these back in currency, go back up to the ribbon, hit currency, and you'll see the numbers reconcile. Neat little feature, but not helpful in that you don't know the source of information. Over to the left, you can see if you have a simple starting point, you can infer that this information is the same. But going over to, and this is in cell B6, if you go over to D6, you can do the actual formula yourself, and that way it's trackable and easy to follow.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime, out. Williams out.